Welcome to OverAgedEgg's kitchen, everyone. Today we're gonna make brownies. So what you need to do is grab a bowl, a packet of eggs, butter. Yes, butter, because it's important. And brownie mix. So what you want to do is grab 100 grams of butter. This is how much? This one. 69 grams of butter, guys. Oh my god, 69! So now that we have the butter, 100 grams, we need to put in 2 eggs. That's egg 1. There we go, that's egg 2. And now my hands are dirty once again. Oh, by the way, we need to preheat the oven. I forgot about that. We need to put it on 180 degrees Celsius, not Fahrenheit. Just came to the realization, this bowl is way too small. So, we should pour it in here. You know, it's to mix. So I mixed everything. Here's how it looks. Yes, it's very good. I don't know if it's good, but we'll see. Oh my god, there's so much in the way, bro. So much in the way. Get out of the way. Do you know the way? So now we add the baking mix for the brownies. We can start mixing again. Mix. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's disgusting, bro. It's all sticking to this thing, bro. Ew. Yes. It does look very good. It looks very tasty. Preheating is done! Now we grab our... So now we got the baking mix. We need to put it in some ice cream scooper. And then just... Okay. I genuinely think this will look disgusting. Okay, so this is going absolutely perfect from now on, but now we're gonna put it in the oven. We're putting it into the oven. Okay. It's in. Now we set a timer for about 10 minutes. I'm putting it on 20 minutes and I'll just wait. They are done! Holy! They look good. Look at these. They are done. Look at how good it looks. These two are together. They melted together in the oven, but we'll just cut them. Well, let's just have a taste test. Now we're gonna put them on a plate. So, that's one. Golly, they look good. Let's do a taste test. I'm very curious. That is so good. Here, you try. That is so good. Brownies are successfully made. Thanks for watching. Press subscribe.